So for good afternoon, children. So
Good
here we
afternoon.
can start. So let me ask Chidru. 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 Yes. What is the name of the chapter which we are learning now?
Composition of the air.
Wow, good. Composition of air. In this chapter, we discussed in the previous classes about the which all gases are present in the air. After that, we discussed about pollutants, isn't it? Pollutant. Yes. Okay. So I think you wrote it in your rough book also about the definition of pollutant. Am I right, children? Pollutant definition, Joanne? Yes. Okay. So let me call Joanne. What do you mean by pollutant, Joanne?
Substances that which make the air dirty is called pollutants.
Substances means are. Okay. Substances that make the air dirty are called pollutants. Substance that makes the air dirty is pollutant. Okay, clear? Is it clear? Okay, so we learned about the definition of pollutant. So let me show you some of the pictures and you have to identify which are the pollutant in it. Okay, are you ready, children? Don't unmute, don't say that answers. I will call some students. Okay, so Brahmadat, are you ready? Brahmadat, are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, okay. So here I am going to share the screen. Okay. Yes, I hope you can see this, right? This picture. All the students, can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. So Brahmadat, what you can see it? Yes, all others, please wait and observe this picture. Okay. And at that time, Brahmadat, what you can see it in this picture? Brahmadat. Fireworks. Okay, firecrackers. We are some people are burning the firecrackers. So maybe it is associated with some festival or celebrations, right? Actually, we are also doing it. So when these firecrackers are using, what it is happening, what we can see it on this picture. Brahmadat. Smoke. Okay, so mute everyone, mute your audio. So here after burning this fireworks, we can see lot of smoke, it is spreading into the air. That means it makes the smoke from the firecrackers make the air dirty. Make the air dirty. Isn't it? Brahmadat. Brahmadat, yes or no? Yes. Okay. So children, listen here. I am not only asking to Brahmadat, to everyone, whenever I am asking a student, Devadaksh, whenever I am asking a student one question or another, all have to think. Okay. I can give chance to only one student at a time. So here Brahmada told as the air it was very clear before that, but after cracking the fireworks that made so many smokes into the air. That means the air become dirty. So while burning this, while using these firecrackers, you also felt the same thing, right? If we are using so many crackers, so that smoke, due to that smoke in the air, we will not feel any comfort.
Yes.
Yes. Do you feel any comfort? No, we also will feel some suffocation. Suffocation means we can't breathe. We can't breathe, right? So, and sometimes these firecrackers will liberate some colors into the air. Am I right? Colors.
Yes.
Okay. So that colors, that smoke, and some severe smell. Bad smell also, chemical smell of the chemicals also liberated into the Mitra, please wait. Liberated into the air. So due to this, what will happen? If it is too much, that may affect our breathing. Breathing. Okay. So here, this Prarthana, Prabil, yeah, show that picture, Prarthana. So what is about that picture? It is about the, yes, Prarthana, show me. Is it internal organs?
Yes,
Okay. So it, okay. So here, Prarthana, see, you can see, everyone, please see, lungs are there, isn't it? Windpipe, lungs, nose. These are the breathing organs. They help us to, okay, keep it down. They help us to breathe. So when we breathe like this dirty water, sorry, dirty air, see, the Phil and all, keep your books down. Abu Tahir, sit straight. Everyone, sit straight. Prarthana, okay, enough. So when we breathe the air, which it is full of smoke, full of chemicals, we will feel suffocation. We will not be able to breathe it properly. So if once in a time, if we are breathing like this, the smoke and all, that won't make much problem. But if continuously we are exposed to like this air, okay, exposed to like this dirty air, what can happen to us? Who can tell me? What can happen to us?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Nora, tell me. Yes, yes.
We will fall sick and all.
Yeah, we will fall sick because who can tell me? Wait, let me, Joma, can you tell me? If we are exposed means, everyone mute your audio, please. So if we are exposed to such a polluted air, dirty air, continuously, what can happen? Nora told we may become sick. Okay, to which organ it may affect? Jobak, to which organ this may affect? Lungs. I can't hear your voice, but by your gestures, I understood. Okay, check your audio. So children, lungs, it may affect our lungs, windpipe, and not only that, sometimes that may affect our eyes also. The water from the eyes may start to come out of it, and we may feel itching. Daksha?
I don't bleed.
So our eyes become red in color. Sometimes we may feel itching. Okay, these are the effects when we expose to such a dirty air. So what we want to do? We should avoid these situations, right? We should avoid like this situations. So when we burn such, when we burn or when we use such firecrackers, that may affect our lungs, that may affect our eyes. Okay, so this smoke, what it is making us ill? What it is making us ill?
Ma'am, we do like this.
Smoke from the fireworks, right? So that substance we can call it as pollutant. That substance we can call it as pollutant. Okay, everyone mute your audio. Listen here. So
Okay,
I'm giving
ma'am.
chance to each one of you at that time only to unmute. Okay. So here, children, when we burn these firecrackers, the smoke which it is produced into the air, that makes the air dirty. Okay. So the substance that makes the air dirty, what we are calling that substance?
Pollutants.
Pollutants. And here in this picture, wait. In this picture, Mitra, in this picture, which is the pollutant here? What is the pollutant? What is the pollutant? See, air, firecrackers, what it is producing?
Producing smoke.
Smoke. So smoke is the pollutant here. Okay, smoke from the firework, that it makes the air pollutant. So the pollutant is smoke from the fireworks. Okay, so next one, you can read. Yes, can you see another picture here?
Yes.
Yes, okay, what you can see it here? All others, please wait. Smoke. Okay, so where does it come?
From the factories.
Okay, so from the factories, these factories are eliminating or discharging smoke into the air, right? What is the
Yes.
color of the smoke here, Riv?
Black and
Black and white. Is it white? Is it white? Black. Okay, black. So when this black smoke get it into the air, Riv, can you tell me, will they make the air pure or dirty?
dirty.
Okay, so is it fit for you to breathe like this air?
No.
No. So what we can call this smoke from the factories? What is the name that we can give to this smoke from the
Pollutant.
factories?
Pollutant.
Yes, correct. You can say it confidently. What you can call it?
Pollutant.
Very good. Pollutant. Okay, clear? Okay. So here in this picture, the pollutant, the substance that makes the air dirty, that is the smoke which it is, produced from the factories. So next point. Okay, next one. Devarsh, are you ready? Devarsh?
Yes.
Yes, can you see a picture? This beautiful picture. All maybe now all maybe getting energy, right? As it is time
Yes.
1:15, all may be interested to see this picture, isn't it, Abu Tahir? Okay,
Very bad.
yeah, Devarsh, what it is there in the picture, Devarsh? So too much. I am not asking what they are cooking. What is the name of the dish? I am not asking that.
Chapati.
Okay, what you can see.
Parota.
Wait.
Chapati.
Devarsh, tell me.
Chapati.
So is it, so chapatis, we are discussing about pollutant. Okay, we are discussing about pollutant. So is this chapatis are pollutant?
No.
No, oh, that you know. Thank God. Devarsh. So children, please wait. Devarsh. Okay, I want to get the answer from Devarsh so that everyone can listen. Yes, Devarsh, in that picture, is that chapatis the pollutant?
No.
No, then what it is, we are discussing about pollutant. So why I showed that picture? What is the importance of that picture? Think, everyone to think. Yes. Okay, let me give chance to, yes, Dulfil, yeah. Tell me. Yes, tell me what makes pollutant?
Fire.
Fire makes pollutant. Is that fire makes pollutant? Huh? See, while your mother is cooking chapatis,
Smoke.
Smoke. Very good.
Smoke.
So children, in this picture, the ladies which are preparing, you are telling it is chapati. I'm not sure, whatever it is a delicious food. Okay, so this
This is
food,
very bad.
while they prepare the food, they are using firewood stove. Okay, is this type of stoves are used at your home?
No.
Wait. Let me see. Is there anybody's house like this? Firewood stoves are used. Raise your hand. I'm not Ujjwal, Rida, Stain, Madhudatan. Okay. These are saying Chiddarup. These are saying in their home, these firewood stoves are. Daksha, please mute your radio. Okay. So these type of stoves are used. Okay, Stain Sijo. Why it is there at your home? What is the use of like this stoves? Fast?
To cook food.
Okay, to cook food. Okay. So when have you seen it while preparing food in these stoves? Have you seen it? What it is happening?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What it is happening really in that?
Ma'am, it's the oxygen.
Oxygen.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, Afif. Yes, Tain, tell me.
It produces the air. It makes the
Produces the air. Okay, Afif. Let me see, Afif. What you want to say?
it uses to boil water
Oh,
and make some and normal stoves are hard some for some recipes, so we use the wooden stove for the hard.
okay. Maybe likewise it is used, right? Yeah, in your home, that stove, wooden stoves are not used much. Other than which stove is used at your home, Afif?
Ma'am, I have a steel. Ma'am, there's a steel stove and a wooden stove.
I think cylinder. Are you referring to cylinder? LPG cylinder, gas
Ma'am,
cylinder. Is it not there at your home?
Ma'am, I have two kitchens in my home and
Okay. In one kitchen, in outer kitchen, you may use the firewood stove, not you, your parents, and the kitchen which is inside, that is connected to the main house. In there, your parents may be using LPG stove, right? So I think you can compare both these stoves. Okay, so when we cook in both these stoves, what is the difference you can see, Afif? What is the difference you can see? From wooden stove, what will be produced along with the fire? What also will produce?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Nora. Yes, Nora.
No.
Smoke. See, as the ladies are preparing food using the firewood stove, you can see lots of smokes. Like this smokes, will it produce when we use LPG gas stoves? No. Okay. So while when we see in this picture, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stoves are there. See, they are actually using 2 stoves now. See, that much also there, so much smoke is there in that environment. If just think, if they are using that all the 4 stoves together, how much smoke will it produce it into the air? So at that time, will it be safe to breathe that air?
No.
No, you know that, right? So here, children, this smoke also get it into the air and makes the air dirty. Do you agree with it?
Yes.
So that smoke is also, we can call it as
Pollutant.
Okay, so the smoke which it is produced, when the firewoods get burned, that is also called pollutant. Okay, so how can we, Ethan, please mute it. How can we reduce this pollution, or how can we reduce this use? Do we need to reduce the use of wooden stove? No. What do you think? What do you think? Do you think should we reduce or no the use of firewood stoves? What do you think about it? It produces lots of smoke, so it is a pollutant. The smoke which it is produced from the firewood stove, it is a pollutant. Do you agree with that point? Yes, you are agreeing. So tell me, children. So do we encourage to use these firewood stoves, or should we reduce the use of firewood stove? What should we use more or less? Okay, that you understood, no? Okay, we should because when we comparing the smoke which it is produced from the firewood stove and by using the LPG gas cylinders, we can see there are so many pollutions, right? So we should reduce the use of firewood stoves. Okay, government is also encouraging encouraging to use the LPG cylinders. They are providing LPG cylinders for everyone. Maybe in Kerala it is a very common, but in some other states it is not common. See, like this, ladies in the other states, they are still using the firewood stoves. That may affect their health, isn't it? Just think, it is a small room. They are preparing the food in it, and the smoke every day. See, it is not not for a one time. See, on a day, 3 or 4 times they want to prepare food. They want to prepare the food, right? So every day, if they are exposed to like this smoke, that may really affect their health, isn't it? So they should reduce the use of like this stoves.
Ma'am, smoking is cancer.
Yeah, smoking cigarette. Yeah, that is also leads to cancer.
Health.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
smoking causes really bad damage in our lungs.
Yes, sure. Okay. So can I move to the next picture? Can I move to the next picture?
Okay, ma'am.
Fam is muted. Yeah. See here, another fire. Oh, okay. Let me call one student for saying it. Devanandan. Devanandan. Yes. Can you see this picture, Devanandan? Can you see this picture? Unmute fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. What you can see it in this picture? You just
Firewood.
Is it firewood? Just see it. Just look at properly. What it is burning? Wait, all others.
Plastic.
Yeah, plastics waste are there. So many waste. We can say it as it is waste, right, Devanandan?
Yes.
So another word for waste it is.
Ma'am, you're muted. Ma'am, you're muted. Ma'am, you're muted. Ma'am, you're
Okay. Now okay. Thank you. So children, see here in this picture, Devanandan, please mute your audio. Okay, now it is okay. Mute your audio. So here, children, when you see this picture, you can see the waste. Somebody is burning that waste. Okay, another name of the waste is garbage. I think it is familiar to you, right? Garbage.
garbage.
Okay. So in this you can see so many plastic waste we can use. We may be using dry leaves, parts of the plants after cutting some trees, the unused parts of it you can burn it. Plastics materials, then papers like this. These all we are collecting and burning it. So that is called garbage. It is burning. So yeah, so here also you can see black smoke which it is produced out of it. See, through the smoke, can you see clearly that one person is coming through one bicycle or something? I can't see it properly. Can you see that?
Yes.
Huh? Yes. So that picture, so the smoke from the garbage after burning it, that makes the air dirty. Do you agree with it?
Ma'am, bike.
Yeah, it is bike. Okay, yes. So we can. It is producing smoke into the air, and also the pictures on the site. We can't see what it is in front of us, right? So these are the smoke from the garbage that makes the air dirty. So what is the pollutant here, farmers? What is the pollutant here?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the pollutant here? Pollutant. So how many times I told? Bhagat, I think Bhagat can say that. What is the pollutant here, Bhagat? Bhagat. Pollutant. Smoke from the garbage. Do you agree with it? Agree with it? Okay. So how can, is it good? to burn this garbage in open space?
No.
No, not only in open space, anywhere we should not burn garbage, and especially the plastic waste. See, it is not, yeah, so now it is not allowed to burn the plastics. Okay, we should sort out the different types of plastic substances, and one person from the government authorities will come and they will take it, and they will take it to the some places where they can reuse. Okay, they will do some process and will convert it into another substance. Okay, so we can avoid that burning. We should not burn, because when we burn these plastics, smokes will be producing. That is one reason. Another one, lots of chemicals from the plastic also will mix with the air. Chemicals. Okay, carbon monoxide, like that, so many chemicals that is dangerous for our health, that may cause cancer like deadly diseases. So it is not allowed to burn plastic. And I hope children, you have to take initiate, you should initiate to avoid this burning of plastics at your home. If your parents or somebody is trying to burn these plastics, what you will do? You also will join with them.
No, stop.
No. You should say, we are taught like this. We should not burn plastics that may cause illness. So what you can do instead of it? You can separate the different types of plastics. Okay, Daksha. So likewise, don't encourage anybody to burn this plastic. And one more thing, we can reduce the use of plastics, isn't it? Even when you are there in the school, you are not allowed to bring plastic covers, right? And the snacks box also, it is told to bring some steel snacks box like that, isn't it? Do you remember? Yes. Okay. So whenever, so the same thing we can apply in our house also. So reduce the use of plastics thing. Instead of plastic carry bags, what we can use? We can use cloth or paper bags. Okay. So will you do it, children? Will you do it? Okay, good. So these are the things that we can do to reduce the pollution in air. Okay, let me see, is there any other pictures are there or not? I think this much is there. Okay, so these are all the pollutants means smoke that produced from different sources. Chemicals. Okay, chemical smoke, that all can cause, that all can make the air dirty. And one more thing, how can we keep the air clean? Can you tell me? Is there any ways? Those who know the thing, just raise your hand. Let me see. Yes, Rida. Yes, Rida, tell me.
And when we avoid the plastic burning, the air will be clean.
Yes, that is important thing. Okay, we can reduce the use of plastic. If we are reducing the use of plastic, no plastic waste will be there. And if any plastic wastes are there, means what we can do? We can send it for reuse. Okay, recycling. Daksha, what do you want?
We cannot burn the plastic.
That it is already, we discussed it here. And any other thing? Any other point? No, nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing. See, I saw
Joanne wants to tell something.
Joanne. Okay, Joanne, tell me.
We should use less of wooden stove.
Yes, we should reduce the use of wooden stove. Right, we should reduce the use of wooden stove. So let me share one more. It is a same, it is there in the workbook. Okay, So here you can see some pictures through which these pictures are giving some hints. Some hints that
want to say
through
something.
which
Ma'am, which page?
no, don't take the page. Just listen here. Okay, in the workbook, some hints it is given through which we can keep our air clean. First one, it is planting trees. Okay, if more and more plants are there, means they will absorb all the dirty, deadly, dangerous gases, and they will produce healthy oxygen. So if more plants means we will get pure air, more pure air. So what thing we can do? We can plant lots and lots of plants, trees. Okay. And next one, we can use smoke-free lamps and stoves that we already discussed. See, stoves I already discussed, and lamps, kerosene lamps. In earlier time, Advait Krishna. In earlier time, some kerosene lamps were used. Kerosene lamps means like oil lamp. Instead of oil, we use kerosene. Okay, but that may produce so much smoke. So we can avoid the use of such such lamps, and we can use smoke-free lamps like bulbs and LPG stoves.
Number.
I am not asking you to take the page number. Next one, do not burn garbage. We explained it, right? And next one, use well-maintained vehicles. Sometime when we pass through the roads, we can see so many smokes coming out of the vehicles. Have you noted? Have you noted it? Because these vehicles are not well maintained. Regularly we should send it for maintenance. In workshops there we have to use oil, we have to change the oil, we should some pollution certificates also we need to get, isn't it? So some authorities, they will check the vehicle and they will give pollution free, that certificate we need. Otherwise the authorities may fine us. Okay, so by regular maintenance of our vehicles, we can keep our air around us very clean. I hope children you understood these points. So read the textbook. The same points are there in the textbook. Sarah is getting lots of pure air. I know she is sitting outside. So many plants are there behind. Okay. So children, try to plant more and more plants around your surroundings. Will you do it? Will you do it? Okay. When you are doing, you should tell these reasons to your parents also. Okay. Otherwise, they won't understand. Okay. So next class, we will take the rest of the chapter.